Hi, I'm Craig Suntrup, and let me be the first to congratulate you on your new purchase of your automobile. Thank you very much. And now I want to introduce you to Elliot Silk, our service director, to give you some information about our service department. And once again, thank you.
Hi, I'd like to take just a couple of minutes to talk about the simple process for scheduling maintenance or service for your vehicle. In your owner's manual, you'll see your vehicle's standard suggested maintenance schedule. For Volkswagen, it's 10,000 miles. And you'll need to have those maintenance services performed here and on time to keep Suntrup's lifetime powertrain warranty active. If you're a returning customer, you already know that when you bring your vehicle to Suntrup for any of your vehicle needs, it's being taken care of by highly trained service technicians. Some have been here on our team and keeping our customers safely on the roads for up to 20 years. You'll also discover that we have dramatically changed the way our service team communicates with you. These changes were designed to improve speed and efficiency while providing additional information to help you make the best decision on your vehicle's service needs. Now, if this is your first experience with our dealership, I'd like to take a moment to explain two options for scheduling a maintenance or service appointment. You can call us at this number and listen to the prompts to help schedule your service appointment. You'll then speak with a representative who will ask you several questions and set up your appointment. If you're comfortable completing this task on your own, you can also schedule your appointment online at suntrupvw.com. At the top of the screen, you'll select the Service and Parts tab and click Schedule Service from the drop-down menu. If you're a returning customer, the scheduling process starts simply by entering your phone number or email address in this section of the page. If this is your first Suntrup Volkswagen service appointment, we'll need just a little more information. As a new customer, you'll start by clicking the Make, Year, Model box near the bottom of the page. In the pop-up box, you'll select the make, year, model, plus other details to help us identify your exact vehicle. Next, you'll click a series of buttons to let us know if your vehicle will be in for maintenance or it's needed repairs. Next, you'll be able to make a few more selections that identify the reason for your visit. Then you'll be able to pick the date and time you'd like the services to be completed. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful, and congratulations again.
Again, thank you, and we look forward to taking care of your service needs.